Aavante Mystiq Soundbar. Welcome to the future of home entertainment. Get ready to embark on an audio journey like never before with the boAt Aavante Bar Mystiq Soundbar, a 2.1 channel cinematic audio experience that will immerse you in sound like never before. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details of what makes this soundbar so special. Experience room filling, crystal clear sound with 100 watts of power. It's perfect for your home theater setup or for pumping up the volume at your next party. Connect seamlessly with Bluetooth version 5.3 for wireless freedom. Multiple connectivity options include aux, USB, Optical and HDMI, ensuring compatibility with all your devices. The Aavante Bar Mystiq Soundbar boasts 2 speakers, 1 subwoofer and 1 soundbar to deliver a balanced audio experience with deep bass and crisp highs. Tailor your audio experience to your liking with EQ modes, music, movies, news and 3D. Whether you're watching a blockbuster, catching up on the news or grooving to your favorite tunes, there's a mode for you. Worried about durability? Don't be. boAt Aavante Bar Mystiq Soundbar comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Now let's have a look at what's in the box. So to summarize, the boAt Aavante Bar Mystiq Soundbar features 100-watt powerful output, versatile connectivity, dual speakers, 1 subwoofer and 1 soundbar, customizable EQ modes, 1-year warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible soundbar. Upgrade your home audio setup today with boAt Aavante Bar Mystiq Soundbar. Buy it on Amazon.